that's it. That will be the final. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I am day off today and I have no plan of going somewhere today. I will be day off until tomorrow. I'm going to prepare my meal. Yeah, I have this much of rice. Look at that. Going to put some water. Put it back. Give a little mix. Yeah, those hard rice at the bottom. And this is my breakfast. This is rice pasta porridge with egg. So I put some I'm going to put some of this sambal olek. Yeah, to make it a little bit spicy. And this fish shrimp paste. This ginger. So basically the pasta, it just add a different texture. Yeah, and it's good. And yeah, it is now already 2:40 and we are going out. I'm going to check if there is a technician that can fix this telephone. Yo, we are now here in the town center. I know there is one electronic technician there, so maybe they can repair this phone. So yeah, I went to the technician and he said the cost will be $399 to replace the glass, because they're going to replace it with the original Samsung glass. Yeah, from Samsung. They can't buy aftermarket parts of this. Yeah, if you remember last time I was able to fix it with Samsung and it was $500 plus. Very expensive. And the guy said that if it is Apple, it's easier to fix. Even the latest model will be cheaper. Oh, and I actually received my P2 license this morning. Yeah, it means that my speed limit is now not 90 kilometers per hour. It is going to be 100 kilometers per hour. That is good, especially in the highway. Yeah, so I am trying to get green P plates here with 100 speed limit. I'm not sure if it is free or I need to pay. Yeah, so yeah, I get inside. I was a little hesitant. Yeah, because I did not bring my ID, but I made it. I asked the guy there, can I get the green P plates? Yeah, he said sure. And yeah, he gave me this. Very nice. So it is going to replace my red P. The red P has a 90 kilometers per hour speed limit, but you know, this is actually available in the grocery, in auto shop. Yeah, but of course it costs a price, but from New South Wales service it's free. Actually it is available here, I saw before, but yeah, we got it for free. And now we're going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square to buy food. Yeah, the cheap one. We are now here in the shopping center, and yeah, there is also a technician here. I'm going also to ask if they can fix this phone. Yeah, so I just asked the guy there and he said it will cost about $400. Yeah, similar to the other one in Nelson Bay. He also said that it is cheaper to buy, it is easier or cheaper to fix the iPhone. He even tell me to wait for the iPhone because iPhone 15 is coming this month. Oh, I'm getting one of this. This banana bread. Yeah, and it's just $5.50. Yeah, 5 slices is $5.50. Very nice. This is the only thing that I bought. I'm going to KFC to buy chicken. This banana bread is very cheap. If you're going to buy it from the cafe, from the restaurant, one piece will be $5. Yeah, at least $4. Yeah, it's been 4 weeks now since I put gas on this car, and now I have just this much of gas. That's why I'm going to put gas today. In case you don't know, the petrol economy of this car is about yeah, full tank is over 800 kilometers. Yeah, and on my day-to-day travel here around the area, and yeah, if you remember last time, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I went to Sydney. Yeah, I put petrol before that day, before going to Sydney, and that's about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And just now I'm going to put gas again. Going to Sydney and back is about almost 500 kilometers. Yeah, that is $150. Now it's full tank again, and I'm going to set that to 0. And we're going to have KFC today.
Entering time-lapse mode.
And we are now here in the beach, in my favorite spot. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I have my rice here, and so I'm going to eat. And I did not forget my spoon. I bring my spoon. They actually also have a straw. Yeah, if you remember, yeah, last time I went to McDonald's. Yeah, the straw comes with this, a cleaner. Yeah, when I went to McDonald's, I bought the shake, and using the paper straw, you cannot sip it. Yeah, I cannot sip it. And so when I get home, I use this. It was very good. Plastic straw for me is essential. You just need to be responsible, not to throw it on the road or anywhere. Throw it in the bin. It's actually 3 pieces of chicken, 1 chips, and dinner roll. This is supposed to be with gravy, but they said, oh sorry, gravy is not available. It's okay, I can eat it dry like this. So now I realize what I forgot is the mug, my coffee mug. Because you know, my plan is to stay here overnight to do some time lapse. I have this kombucha. This is $6. It lasts for me for over a week, because I don't drink too much drinks. And now it's time to do some computer works. And yeah, the monitor that I put here, that I installed here, yeah, it's still yeah, it's strong. Yeah, this is just glue, I mean double adhesive tape, and then here it's just sealant. I'm now having my breakfast. Yeah, the leftover from yesterday, that KFC chicken and rice. Yeah, but I already had a coffee since the sunrise. This is actually where I sleep last night. Yeah, because I did a time lapse of the sky. Yeah, I'm trying to explore the capabilities of the this GoPro and Insta360 when it comes to recording the sky, the time lapse, the sky lapse, star lapse, something like that. Yeah, I have this GoPro and this Insta360 for a long time, but just recently I am trying to do the time lapse. Oh, look at this. Yeah, there's I think they are best friend. Yeah, they are fishing. Very nice. I initially thought they are a father and son, but they are in the same age level bracket, so they are best friends. Nice. And we are home, and I'm actually going to replace my plate number with this 100 limit. And I'm going to remove this. So basically with the red P, my speed limit is 90 kilometers per hour. Even in the highway, yeah, the highway here in Australia, mostly 110 kilometers per hour is the maximum limit. At least here in New South Wales. Another thing about my red P is that I am not allowed to drive manual car. But with this, I am actually allowed, because it is not mentioned on my new license. Yeah. And with these two, I'm not allowed to drive the high vehicles. What is that? The high motor vehicle, something like that. Yeah, I'm not allowed to drive like Lamborghini, Ferrari. Yeah, I think those cars. Okay, finally installed. Yeah, I just put a Velcro, and yeah, just like that. But before, I have magnetic one with my learner's license, but they said that this is going to ruin your paint. Yeah, the car paint. So that's why I decided to have just that, the plastic, and connect it, attach it with Velcro. And do you know that I am supposed to have that green P last May? Yeah, because so basically I was relying, because my driver license will expire this coming November. It is written on my license. Yeah, so I was relying to that I will be able to get the green P once I renew my license. But then I actually read somewhere in the New South Wales website that I can actually get the green P right after, after having the red P for 12 months. Yeah, so I have my red P for 12 months last May. Yeah, so May, June, July, August. Yeah, I wasted 4 months, because it's September now. Yeah, I wasted 3 months, 4 months not renewing, not getting the green P. Because this green P, if I am not mistaken, I should have this green P for 2 years for me to get my professional driving license. Now it's good. I have 100 kilometers an hour speed limit, which is good for me in the highway. I no need to worry to the driving slow in a 110 kilometers per hour road where there are big trucks, vehicles. Yeah, and I'm very slow. I am actually very thankful that I did not have any offense, or because if I get the offense, I'm going to pay a fine. And another thing is there will be like a license suspension. Yeah, kind of demerits, they say something like that. But yeah, to be honest, I am for sure did some kind of speeding, and maybe crossing the red light. Actually, there is one very significant event. So when I went for my road trip in Melbourne, and I forgot the name of the city. So basically it was go, so I go. The rest of the car go. But I didn't see that there is another red light. I realized it when I keep on going and the rest of the car stops, and then there are vehicle on the side coming. Yeah, and it was a big truck. But I keep on going because I didn't see the red light. And then I stop in the safe side. I check my dashcam, and yeah, there was a red light. But for sure there's no camera on that side, so yeah, I did not have any offense. And I was very thankful that it was a safe mistake. Yeah, thank you very much.